So, hi, I'm Ran.
I'm Hen.
Hello, I'm Marian.
Hi, I'm Jules. Hi, I'm Jess.
Hi, I'm Andy.
So, my bias is Riku. Yes.
My bias is Jaehee.
My bias is Sakuya.
Bias ko si Yushi.
From Sakuya, naging Rio.
Riku, all the way! When they debuted.
Nung nag-debut ng NCT Wish, yun, doon ako naging fan.
I started studying them like at least like a month ago.
Ako, debut! Debut pa lang. Ayan. From the start talaga. Ayan. They're so cute.
Hikay nila as a group.
Because their songs are really good. Their humor is amazing. Their content, everything. The voice is just amazing. Yeah. Also, the fandom are amazing too.
Pag nabuo na yung new team, and then if I listen to the debut and I like it, I will stand them.
Curious din ako kasi ang ganda ng songs. Tapos ayun, ang cute-cute nila nung debut pa lang. Ayun, naatak na ako ng tulog.
Citizen from the start. So, lahat ng unit love ko. So, kaya kasama syempre yung Wish. Kaya from the start talaga.
As someone who wants to be chill, steady talaga ang aking anthem.
NASA because I really want to progress myself in the future. I really have goals, so I feel like we're going up like NASA.
Like, steady could be like the best option for now.
Siguro color. Kasi syempre noon parang yung life ko personally medyo dull kasi syempre personal problems and such. Tapos with NCT and NCT Wish, naging colorful siya. Michu kasi wala lang fan song siya.
At steady kasi it's one of the songs na nakakapag-uplift sa akin.